हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, भाई और बहनों, मेरा नाम चंदन है और मैं हूँ शुभ्स के साथ द को-फाउंडर ऑफ डब्बा नेटवर्क। हाय शुभ्स, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you, Chandan, for having me. Namaskar to your audience.
नमस्ते नमस्ते। हाउ इज डब्बा नेटवर्क डूइंग? व्हाट इज डब्बा नेटवर्क?
Dabba is doing fantastic. Yeah, we are here in Bombay for the Apex event. The crowd is awesome over here. We have a talk lined up in the afternoon. We have a panel also today. Day is awesome. Weather is awesome. Thank you for having me today.
Thanks for being with me present. In Mumbai. And for the audience, just to give a brief introduction, Dabba Network is a decentralized physical infrastructure network providing internet connectivity across the India currently. But watch this video for the alpha. Let's go.
You don't miss your alphas, huh?
Yeah, no, never missing that, man. So let's begin. चलो सुनते हैं शुभ से। हाय शुभ, तो डब्बा नेटवर्क क्या है, दर्शकों को बता सकते हैं आप?
बिल्कुल, डब्बा एक बहुत ही सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है। अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें, आज की तारीख में आधे देशवासियों के पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं है। मोर देन 70 करोड़ लोगों के पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं है। हम लोग बात करते हैं 4G 5G पेनिट्रेशन की, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द रियलिटी ऑन ग्राउंड इज पीपल डोंट हैव इंटरनेट एक्सेस। ये स्टैट्स पब्लिश करती है TRAI एंड DOT। आप उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके प्लीज वेरीफाई करें और देखें कि कैसे इंडिया 2025 में भी स्ट्रगल करता है Tier 3 Tier 4 टाउन्स में, जहाँ लोगों के पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं है। It could be because of affordability, it could be because of accessibility, it could be because of the telcos and the players are not looking those market as an opportunity to provide connectivity.
सही हो।
Dabba is a simple concept where we are making it possible to reach every nook and corner of this country, our country, where we can provide affordable and accessible internet connectivity to the masses. It's a movement, it's a philosophy, it's a project that wants to connect the unconnected in India.
चीज़ बताना चाहते हैं डब्बा नेटवर्क, तो क्या है असल में, शुरुआत कैसे हुआ, तो आप दर्शकों को बता सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल, absolutely. Dabba is a concept where people across the globe can buy this piece of infrastructure for $199. आप एक
स्टार्टिंग ओके।
आप एक US सिटीजन हैं, आप नेटफ्लिक्स में जॉब करते हैं, आपके पास एक हेल्दी अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिजनेस है, आप जॉब करते हैं, US सिटीजन हैं, रहते हैं। What we have made possible is for you as a person living in US participate in the India growth story. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर, आपने कैपिटल लगाया ऑन चेन, you're providing this capital on chain to us. Using that capital, we are activating a hotspot broadband connection in a person's home or office who needs an internet connection, but unfortunately cannot afford it. The upfront cost involved into deploying this connection. Unlike a 4G 5G connection in India where you can just go over the counter, buy a SIM card and start paying $2, $3, $5 sort of a plan and get a internet access. In broadband, unfortunately, you can't do that. There is a upfront cost of $100 that is involved in order to activate a connection, which एक average Indian afford नहीं कर पाता है installation cost cover करने के लिए, and that is the single biggest reason why internet penetration in India is so low.
Okay.
This is getting solved with the principles of DePIN, where the capital formation is happening on chain using people who have capital at their disposal. They provide this capital. That capital is utilized to build this infrastructure. People are paying the monthly recurring, fees that is required to run this infrastructure. That capital is being utilized to buy the token on-chain buyback, burn that token, essentially giving appreciation on your capital that you're deploying on-chain.
Awesome. So सिंपल से बताए तो एक इन्वेस्टर रहेगा, वो डब्बा नेटवर्क खरीदेगा, तो आप कहीं और डिप्लॉय करेंगे, तो उसको इंटरनेट मिलेगा और इन्वेस्टर को टोकन्स मिलेगा। सिंपल से, राइट?
इट्स अ सिंपल फ्लो। आपने बिल्कुल सिंपल वर्ड्स में उसको डिफाइन किया है। इन्वेस्टर ने इन्वेस्ट किया ऑन चेन, उनको रिटर्न मिला टोकन में। टोकन इज गोइंग टू बी लिस्टेड ऑन एक्सचेंजेस, दे कैन लिक्विडेट व्हेन दे वांट देयर कैपिटल बैक, एंड इट्स अ इकोनॉमी दैट इज मूविंग ऑन चेन. What we as a Dabba is doing is making bandwidth programmable, tradable and liquid asset for anybody to own it.
Awesome man. तो हम चलेंगे अभी बैक टू रूट्स। जब से शुरुआत हुआ डब्बा नेटवर्क आइडिया, you are competing, as I said, with the biggest names in the Indian telecom industry. Also, this is not a simple concept. इसको मतलब एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहिए, लोग चाहिए, और आपको सारे मतलब एजेंसीज चाहिए जो केबल ऑपरेट करते हैं इंडिया में। तो ये कैसे हुआ आपसे, शुरुआत कैसे हुआ आपसे?
शुरुआत के लिए हमें थोड़ा सा पीछे जाना पड़ेगा यार. वी वर बैक इन 2016-17 building our second company. Karam and I both have been working together for more than 15 years now, right? So second company के time पे we had this use case where we wanted internet access public places में, basements में. The company that you were building required internet access in these places. I'm talking about Bangalore city. Forget about दूर दराज के एरिया की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं आपको. This is pre-Jio, pre-4G boom that happened in India, right? That is the time I'm talking about, 2016, 2017. हम लोग को इतनी प्रॉब्लम हमने पर्सनली फेस करी कि 4G नहीं है, जहाँ पर है इतना एक्सपेंसिव है. बैंगलोर जैसे शहर में जो इंडिया की सिलिकॉन वैली है, we had absolutely pathetic public Wi-Fi infrastructure, and still continues to be the same case. Things haven't changed. It's been almost 7 years now.
Yeah.
What we saw is an opportunity that can we build. जैसे हम बाहर जब जाते हैं, ट्रैवल करते हैं, देखते हैं कि पब्लिक वाईफाई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एग्जिस्ट करता है. हमने सोचा क्या हम वैसा ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पब्लिक वाईफाई की लोग आएँ, पब्लिक स्पेसेस में इंटरनेट कनेक्ट करें, 2 रुपये 4 रुपये 10 रुपये पे करें, इंटरनेट यूज़ करें और आगे बढ़ें. क्या हम ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? इसकी शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई थी. और हमने पॉलिसी मेकर्स के साथ काम किया, DOT के साथ काम किया. वी मेड PM वानी रियलिटी इन ऑर्डर टू मेक श्योर दैट ब्रॉडबैंड रीसेलिंग एट लास्ट माइल इज अलाउड. Until 2020 this was not allowed to resell your broadband internet further. So it's been a long journey. 2022-23 में we got in touch with the ecosystem, the Web3 ecosystem. वहाँ से हमारी Web3 जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई. To decentralize this ownership, to make it more accessible, more distributed, more decentralized ownership platform. Use the fundamentals of on-chain capital. वहाँ से हम capital formations कर पा रहे हैं and able to scale this infrastructure.
Awesome. मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल है, आपका आइडिया मतलब बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब हर जगह जिधर इंटरनेट नहीं अवेलेबिलिटी है तो उधर तक इंटरनेट पहुंचाने के लिए आपके आइडिया है. तो वो नॉर्मल एक Web2 जैसे हम टर्म्स यूज़ करते हैं, तो इन रियल लाइफ में वो चालू है. आपको सोलाना या डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन करने का सोच कब आया आपको?
ऐसे मैंने आपको बताया यार कि अराउंड 23 में when we got in touch with Helium Foundation, right? They were like, हम लोग जो आप कर रहे हो वाईफाई स्पेस में is very good. They told us कि what we are building, what we have rather built in the IoT space. Can you do something similar for the Wi-Fi? तो हमारी शुरुआत उनके साथ हुई. तब तक we were both like क्रिप्टो एक स्कैम है, क्रिप्टो के अंदर सब ब्लैक एंड वाइट कुछ नहीं है. इट्स ऑल लाइक वी वर ऑफ दैट ओपिनियन बैक इन 20.
अभी भी आधे लोगों के पास यही है
बिकॉज वी हैव सीन द साइकिल्स 2018-19 डंप जो होते हैं, पंप एंड डंप सॉर्ट ऑफ स्कीम्स. वी हैव सीन दोस साइकिल्स. सो वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी बाय बिकमिंग अ सब-DAO ऑफ Helium. 2022-23 में we rolled out a HIP 64 Helium Improvement Proposal 64. I think archive में अभी भी होना चाहिए. Although Helium is an investor, I mean Amir and the founders are in personal capacity, they are the investor. So वहाँ से हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई Web3 की. वहाँ से हमें we got in touch with Solana Foundations and that whole ecosystem supported us and that's where we started scaling. 2023 के एंड तक जब हमें रियलाइज हुआ ओके ये कैसे काम करता है, how to structure this whole thing, we realized that कि Tabba, it has to scale, has to have an independent tokenomics. It can't be a sub-DAO framework because it's a very big vision, it's a big scope.
Yeah.
The kind of infrastructure that we can build over here, a sub-DAO will not justify the existence of this project.
Yeah.
We spoke to the founders, the community, we proposed them कि as a sub-DAO ये structure workout नहीं होएगा because there are a lot of limitations if you are a sub-DAO, right?
Yeah.
वहाँ से we went independent, we had community interactions, we went independent and in 2024 we launched the first version of our tokenomics and since then there has been no looking back. We are now at 20,000 plus locations, scaling pretty good, our revenue is growing at a healthy rate and here we are.
जैसे हम बता रहे हैं तो मैं लिंक एक के बाद एक लिंक कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आपके पास बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस है और उसके बाद आपने डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में भी आप काम किए हुए हैं सब लोगों के तौर पे, और उसके बाद आपने प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया है। मतलब ये प्रोग्रेस बहुत अच्छा है, ये आपके पास नॉलेज है और उसको आप इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। तो हम अगर आप दर्शकों को बताना चाहेंगे ये डब्बा नेटवर्क से में शुरुआत कैसे करें लोग? अगर मान लो कि बंदा बेसिक है, उसको पता नहीं है कि ब्लॉकचेन कैसा है, डब्बा नेटवर्क में क्या क्या है उसको पता नहीं है ना, तो आप क्या बताओगे? वेयर डू पीपल बिगिन विद?
हमारे बिजनेस के चंदन, देर आर टू साइड्स टू इट, राइट? वन इज सप्लाई साइड एंड वन इज डिमांड साइड. Demand side is where people need internet access, internet connection चाहिए. For them, there is nothing to do with blockchain, there is nothing to do with Web3. It's a pure Web2 product for them. जैसे आप फ़ोन उठा के एयरटेल, जियो, ACT का कनेक्शन ऑर्डर करते हैं, वैसे ही आप फ़ोन उठा के डब्बा नेटवर्क का कनेक्शन ऑर्डर करते हैं. So there is nothing complicated. What we are promising is cheapest possible connection, highest uptime, highest speeds possible in your neighborhood, and on top you can get OTT, you can get IPTV, you can get other ancillary services on top of it in a price along with the internet access. What we are promising you is the cheapest possible price and best possible service in your neighborhood is what you get if you want an internet connection in your neighborhood.
Okay.
We are active in more than 16 towns right now. This month we'll be activating another 4 more. So we are growing as we are. It's a very early days, but we are growing at a healthy pace. On the supply side,
Okay.
which is where people buy this hardware,
Okay.
which are right now we have people participating from 70 countries.
Oh.
So 70 countries, individuals are participants of our Dabba network. They are the owner of the infrastructure. For them, they are Web3 audience. They understand how DePIN works, what are the fundamentals of blockchain, how the whole ecosystem works, what a token is, what decentralization is. They already understand.
Yeah.
For them, they are the supply side participants who put in this capital, buy this infrastructure, then choose a LCO partner to deploy on infrastructure.
Yeah.
And that's how this thing gets scaled. So Web2 business on the demand side has nothing to do with Web3. It's pretty much a broadband connection that you would have procured. On top of it, the last point I would like to highlight is you are also making public Wi-Fi more accessible because every router get deployed. आपके घर में जो हम router, आपके ऑफिस में जो router deploy करते हैं, वो public Wi-Fi infrastructure में भी contribute करता है. मतलब आपका जो router है will give you internet for your home or office, plus also becomes a part of a larger network. इसमें public Wi-Fi का network growth हो रहा है.
Awesome है. तो सप्लाई चेन में आए तो कोई भी इन्वेस्टर across the globe, right? Anybody can participate in the supply. Anybody can purchase the Dabba network, the Dabba hotspot, and they will be a part of the internet revolution in India, right? So
starting with India, this product will work in every emerging market. There is no reason why we can't go to Latin or African continent or Southeast Asia because the problem remains the same.
Okay.
World over, we are at 67.5% population has been connected so far. We are at over 35% still doesn't have internet access world over. Largely in the emerging markets, right? So India is, if our product works and scales in India, it will work across any emerging market is our philosophy, and that is where we are headed. We don't call them investors, they are co-builders. They are called hotspot owners in our little, ecosystem. They are called hotspot owners. They put in this capital, they become the hotspot owner. They get certain rights along with this. As we form the DAO, they'll have governance right along with it. So they're becoming hotspot owner on the platform.
Awesome. Is that the alpha that you gave me right now, that the Dabba is going global?
Maybe, yes, we can say that. It will.
Possibility, right?
No, absolutely. This will happen. It is just the, the roadmap that we have down the road. We will have our token launches happening very soon. We are in the final stages of, launching our token. As we open up that, the next steps would be to open up other markets as well.
होना चाहिए. As an Indian startup, right? So we would love to see our Indian startup making name across the globe. So hopefully हम दुआ करते हैं कि वो ये होना ही चाहिए अगले आने वाले एक साल में. I hope you make it happen. I'm pretty much sure because I have seen the growth of Dabba from a very long time. You guys are growing rapidly, right? So यही सक्सेस स्टोरी कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए, यही मेरा उम्मीद भी है. तो नेक्स्ट सवाल अगर डिमांड की तरफ से आए, बंदा मतलब लोग अभी इधर ही खरीद सकते हैं डब्बा नेटवर्क को।
इंडियंस भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो रीजन व्हाई यू एज अ इंडियन और आई एज अ इंडियन और एनीबडी कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट, राइट? सो आप अगर इंडियन नहीं है, यू कैन प्रीटी मच गो टू dabba.com and buy the hotspot and choose a location where you want it to be deployed, and it's absolutely possible.
और मैंने ये भी सुना है कि आपके ऑफिस मौजूद है इधर इंडिया में, तो क्या बता सकते हैं कि आपके ऑफिस किधर है?
हम लोग हमारा हेड ऑफिस कोरमंगला में है, and we are a team of 40 people, and yeah, we are
So every detail is available in that site, right?
absolutely. अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है dabba.com, अगर आपको नेटवर्क के लाइव स्टैट्स देखने हैं तो dabba.network पे आप जाइए. वहाँ पर we have a dashboard that publishes the stats in real time, and you can see how the network is growing.
और अगर नए बंदे अगर खरीदना चाहते हैं डब्बा डिवाइस को, तो शुरुआत के मतलब कैसे करें और प्राइस रेंज क्या है और मैक्सिमम प्राइस रेंज डिवाइस है कितना है?
हमारा सिंगल प्रोडक्ट है जो अभी ऑन ऑफर अवेलेबल है वेबसाइट पे dabba.com पे. आप लोग जाएं, $199 उसका प्राइसिंग है, और $100 को ऑनबोर्डिंग फीस पे करनी होती है. ये फीस जाती है LCO पार्टनर को जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिप्लॉय करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. तो आपकी टोटल ऑनरशिप कॉस्ट $299 है.
$299। और अगर बंदा एक खरीद रहा है तो उसको क्या बेनिफिट्स मिलेगा इससे?
वो लोग अगले 7 साल तक के लिए इस हॉटस्पॉट का ओनर बनते हैं, को ओनर बनते हैं. इसके अंदर उनको 60% ऑफ टोकन्स जो ये जनरेट करेगा हॉटस्पॉट अगले 7 साल तक, उनको वो शेयर मिलता है.
अच्छा, वो okay, they directly get the tokens for
They're getting the token as their incentives on as a participation reward. उस टोकन को they can liquidate on the exchanges where we will be listed.
awesome.
See, dabba का एक सिंपल विजन है कि जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन अनकनेक्टेड है फॉर डिफरेंट रीजंस, इट कुड बी एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं है, अफोर्डेबिलिटी नहीं है, या फिर no other telco is looking that market as a where they could do because of ROI reasons or other reasons, right? To get them online. That is a single vision that we are working with. Hence, we are committed for this in the long run. This is not a short-term play. 6 months, 1 year is a very small time when we talk about a business that is, going to be built for generations, right?
Yeah.
This is an infrastructure play. You need to have patience. You need a lot of participation. You need capital and patience.
Yeah.
If you have these things, you're going to build a generational business that will last beyond you as an individual. तो अगर हम बात करें immediate क्या goals हैं कंपनी के, we have to reach 50,000 deployed and activated. We are at roughly around 17,000 active, 20,000 sold. So the immediate next 6 months goals are to reach 50,000. The token launch is the next immediate thing that we are working on. So DBD token is coming anytime now. And of course, the revenue what we are at right now, 1.8 mil, that has to triple in the next 6 to 9 months. So those are the immediate goals that we are working towards.
Awesome, man. I would love to see, as a person who was seeing the bus growth, right, to connect the rural areas, especially in India, where the connectivity is still the poor, right? So I would love to see that happen through Dabba Network, of course, because the concept itself revolves around this, right? To connect where it is disconnected, right? So that's the concept. So I would love to see that. And last but not the least, since you tease that, you might be going global. So to the audience, like there are some countries like Africa and maybe even in the rural part of Europe and some regions, right? Their internet is still an issue. So where do we see Dabba going first? I mean, the continent also works if you don't want to mention the country.
Honestly, we get a lot of inquiries and requests from these developing, especially from the African region, because a lot of, there are mandates from the World Bank that they have their, programs that mandate that everybody needs to have internet access in the emerging markets. Those mandates are there. So I don't have a place to confirm to you or talk about that, but most likely it's going to be African region there where we would be going next.
Yeah, makes sense, man. And also we have like a lot of African users in Web3 as well. So we would love to see happen. Thanks for your time, Shubs. It was very nice talking to you.
Pleasure, man. Pleasure.
So we would love to see Dabba growing more bigger and bigger in the near future. And we would love to see Dabba going global very soon. So until next time, take care, boys.